Tonight's Going Places brought to you by Toyota. Chauncey, KD, no Steph. What are you seeing?
Man, everything, anything he wants to do. Paul Pierce said it right on our NBA Countdown show that KD was going to be electrifying, and yes, he is. He's scoring in a lot of different ways. Y'all go help that man. You can't leave him on an island like that.
No, that's right.
It's Kevin Durant.
I'm just tripping off the fact that we're enjoying an amazing game, and you guys making Star Wars plans. When does that come out?
Why are you selling us out like that?
When does that come out?
It doesn't matter. It comes out soon. And
Star Wars is coming out?
When does it come out?
Oh, yeah, you guys didn't get invited. I'm sorry.
What date?
I was going to go on
Next
the red
week,
carpet
we're going to
with
the
y'all.
premiere.
I don't understand.
Oh, got it.
Wow.
Charlotte Hornets are down 15 points.
It's like you need some glasses or something. You about to
Because
really
I don't understand. You have no Steph Curry, no Draymond,
True.
and Zaza went out.
Still got that system
Down
over there,
15
P.
points.
They
Are
still
you
got
really
that system.
surprised, though?
I'm very surprised
Oh, you
because
really
before
are.
the season, I pegged the Charlotte Hornets to be a playoff team in the Eastern Conference. These are games they got to take advantage of.
I got some breaking news for you. You can be under 500 in the East and get a 6, 7, and an 8th playoff seed.
Yeah.
It just shows the disparity between the number 1, number 2 in the West versus that in the East.
And another thing, Paul, that we have to take into consideration, their coach is out. Their leader's out. Coach Clifford, I hope you get well soon.
Yes, indeed.
Going on.
Prayers out to Coach
but he's out. I mean, you know, when your leader's gone, you know how it is.
Yeah, they
See,
should
when
just
you're
put
20
Everybody start
games
trying to do
in,
whatever they want to
you're
do.
20, 23 games in. You guys are pretty. You get a good rhythm.
You know who you are?
You know who you are.
Yeah.
Like Coach there.
I want to see more from Dwight Howard in the second half. With no
might get
Draymond
your
or
way.
no Zaza. Put MJ in the game.
How about that guy? Good. Game high, 20
not
points.
tonight.
Second
Not
half,
to
coming
guard
back
him.
up. Mike QB. Doris.
When you guys go to Star Wars premiere, I'm going to go to Young Jeezy album premiere.
Lame.